Okay, it's been a while since I've done a YouTube video. This is a comparison of two bikes that are separated by 37 years. This first one here is a Yamaha XS650 1978 model. Spoked wheels, aluminum rims, standard motor, everything stock on it. It has manual petcocks, which are no fun. You got to turn that on, turn them off whenever you decide to start it or ride it. I've already warmed this one up. The other bike is a 2015 Honda NC 700. It's a 700 cc. The Yamaha's a 650. The Yamaha has a 180-degree crank timing, where the Honda has 270-degree crank timing. They're both chain drive. The NC 700 has a dual clutch system, which automatically shifts for you. The Yamaha does not. Yamaha has an electric and a kickstarter, whereas the Honda is electric only. And I don't know how you'd ever bump start it if your battery ever went dead. But anyways, I think I will fire up the Yamaha and we'll go for a little ride. This bike only has 5,100 miles on it, and the Honda has about 500. They both weigh about the same. The Honda's about 20 pounds lighter, but the Yamaha feels lighter because the tires are a lot thinner. You got a little bit of an exhaust leak that makes it want to backfire when it's cold. And let's see, we'll put it into gear. I got to remember to pull in the clutch, and off we go. Brakes on the Yamaha aren't nearly as nice as the Honda. Now we'll fish in my pocket for the key to this thing. We'll go take it for a ride. One thing right away, you can just hop on, put the key in. Don't have to mess with any petcocks, which reminds me I should close these or I find a pool of gas underneath it. One thing about old bikes is that kind of stuff leaks. Those are new petcocks, but I still don't trust them. And hooray for fuel injection. Starts right up, and oil gets into the motor pretty quick. It's a warm day. And well, I started feeling for the gear shift lever on this because I just came off the Yamaha. All I really need to do is push the drive button, and away we go. Now this bike, I put an aftermarket pipe on it because I couldn't stand how quiet it was. All you could hear was the cam chain whirring around in the engine. And all in all, I think that for 37 years, there's not a huge gap between the two bikes. They both
ride real nice. I'm confident they could take me and get me back wherever I wanted to go. Of course, they're mid-size bikes, and mostly made for me anyway, for going to the hardware store or fooling around, going down to the whatever to do whatever. And I've got a touring bike. One thing about this is there's some storage here. You can put a helmet or a hat or whatever, a 6-pack of beer in there. And on the Yamaha, you can put your registration and maybe a rag. So that's it on this. I really like both bikes a lot. I'm a big XS650 Yamaha fan. This is my third one. And they're both single overhead cams. Like I said, the Honda's got a longer stroke on it, has a little more torque. And the Yamaha is just a bulletproof twin. So thanks, YouTube.